Today marks 2 weeks since the start of a string of shootings involving San Antonio police officers. 5 officers have been shot by suspects, and police say another officer accidentally shot himself. It's also been nearly a week that the county's highest elected official has refused to talk to reporters about it. Several local and state leaders have spoken with us about what they believe could prevent this violence. But, as Daniela Ibarra explains, County Judge Peter Sakai refuses.
5 San Antonio police officers shot by suspects in the span of 12 days. Police Chief William McManus says several of those accused shooters are repeat offenders who should have been in jail. He and District Attorney Joe Gonzalez have sparred over who is to blame for them being out on the streets. On Tuesday, San Antonio Mayor Ron Nirenberg said he and Bexar County Judge Peter Sakai have spoken about the recent shootings.
And we both believe that this is not something that any of us should find acceptable.
But we have not heard that directly from Sakai. KSAT has tried 3 separate times over the past week to talk with him. Yesterday, we even waited at the Bexar County Commissioner's Court meeting for 5 hours with no luck. Spokesperson Jim Lefkoe spoke on Sakai's behalf.
He knows it's a complicated issue, and he'll do what he can to, if there's a role for him to play, I'm sure he'll be interested in playing it.
And today, KSAT reached out to Sakai's office a 4th time. Lefkoe told us Sakai was not available today or tomorrow, even for 5 minutes. Sakai is the county's highest-ranking elected official. Lefkoe told us Sakai is, quote, tied up with the nearly $3 billion budget we are finalizing in 5 days. We asked if Judge Sakai does not have time to talk with us, or if he did not want to talk with us about the major issue happening in the county he presides over. Half an hour later, Nirenberg and Sakai announced they were going to bring together county and city law enforcement to talk about possible solutions for the recent shootings where police are injured. According to this news release, Judge Sakai says the county is committed to addressing the challenges and reducing this violence in the community. Now, it's not clear if that conversation is going to be open to you, the public, and we are still waiting to talk to Judge Sakai. Reporting in downtown San Antonio, Daniela Ibarra, KSAT 12 News.
So while County Judge Sakai is staying silent, one commissioner isn't. Precinct 3 Commissioner Grant Moody says that his priority is safety.
We can't be soft on repeat offenders and violent criminals. We need to make sure that we don't put the wrong people in jail, but the folks that need to be in jail, who are violent offenders and repeat offenders, that they are in the jail, and that we keep them in the jail.
So Commissioner Moody says that he wants to address the violence and figure out a solution. Moody says there have been lots of discussions about that over the last 24 hours. He says that Judge Sakai spent the day working with city leaders. Now, we're also learning that next Monday, Police Chief William McManus and District Attorney Joe Gonzalez are going to be at a District 4 Public Safety Town Hall. Gonzalez's office told KSAT that the DA is going to be there. The town hall is scheduled to start at 6 at St. Rose of Lima Catholic Church. It's on Marbach Road, and we're planning to live stream it on all of our KSAT platforms, so watch out for that. Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.